In this tutorial we will see how for each higher order function works in JavaScript. Okay, so here we have an array of objects called employees. So totally we have 5 objects. So now we have to see how for each function, higher order function, works. So for each higher order function is similar to for loop in JavaScript. So we will see in both ways like how they work. So first let's see simple for loop. Okay, so let m of employees, okay, so console.log m.name. Here I'm fetching the name of each employee. Okay, so when I save this, it gives me employee's name. Okay, so that's how we extract or fetch the object properties using simple loop. So let's comment it out and save it. Now we will see how we can fetch the employee's name using for each higher order function. So first let's create a function. Okay, print name will be the name of this function, and we will pass the emp as a parameter. Okay, so console.log and emp.name. Okay, so let's do the employees dot for each. Now here we will pass the function name, print name. Now when I save this, again it gives me the name of employees, all employees. Okay, so this is one way of using for each higher order function. I can also do something like this. I can use the arrow functions. Okay, so let's cut it, and okay, now what, just do this. So first, okay, let me save this. Okay, it is lit. Okay, now when I save this, again it gives me the name of employees. So that's how the for each higher order function work. Okay, so it just iterate through the each object of this array. Here we have the array of objects. Even if we have a simple array, let's say const nums. Okay, so I have 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so let's comment it out. What if I want to go through these numbers? So I will do nums dot for each, and then I'm using arrow function. So console.log n. So when I save this, it will print out the values, array values. Okay, so that's how this for each higher order function works.